What's up guys, Seabot here, and today I'm here bringing you guys a brand new video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a YouTube banner or a Twitter banner. You can use it for anything you would like that involves banners, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one, and the one I make in this video will also be going up to my YouTube channel. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tutorial of everything that I'm going to be using for my YouTube channel and also use it for my YouTube channel. So let's get on with it. So first things first, we got to create a new project. So make sure it's 2560 by 1440. That's the size that you need to have it to be, and then we'll name this YouTube banner. So there we go, YouTube banner, and then now you just click OK. So now you have this white background, and so after this, what you're gonna want to do is create a text. I lied. First things first, you want to find a background, and for this I'm going to be doing the exact same thing, but here are some suggestions. You can use a gradient background if you would like. There's a bunch of options to choose from, as you can see here. Then there is a solid background that you can choose from, which there are a bunch to choose from here. And then there is a fancy background, which I don't recommend as much as the other two, but if you can make it work, you can make it work. Okay, but I'm going to be using the exact same picture background that I used for my profile picture, and if you haven't looked at that video yet, make sure to go check it out. It'll be down in the description below, so don't forget to go look at that. So I'm going to do File, Place, Images, because that's the name I have it as. And so obviously it's way too small, so hold Alt, grab a corner, resize it. I think that's good enough. It's not going to be that grainy. It'll adjust. Let's click the check mark. There you go. It kept its thing. So after that, now we want to go here. Or if you want, you have this, so click Alt, go here. If you let go, it'll disappear. So go here, brightness as contrast. Now you can use to click this, and then boom. And now it's automatically applied just to that layer. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the brightness down, and then we're going to turn the contrast up. That's good enough. So now we'll close that. And then after this, here we go to create the text. Now I'm going to be using the exact same text, bubblegum. It's going to be 500 size, and we're going to make this text red. Let's go here. Make it a red text. Now we're going to type in Seabot, and then after that, let's click, oh, checkmark already did it. So then we're going to go here, we're going to turn it a little, oops, felt like doing that. Go here, make sure you turn it. I'm going to do this, you can turn it. I think it looks a little cool, sometimes turning, click this, click apply, and then now I want to Control A, go to a layer, align layer to selection, vertical centers, layer, align layer to selection, horizontal centers. Now it's perfectly in the middle. Control D to deselect. So after that, you can go here, hold Alt. I lied, don't hold Alt. Right click on this, click blending options. Now after this blending options thing will pop up. You want to click drop shadow, click here, and then I'm going to add C5. You can't really see it, so I'm going to add everything as a 15. I think 15 looks very good for this. So see, as you can see, 15. Obviously we're not done. Now click OK. Now what you're going to want to do is grab your shape tool. For this I'm going to be using the rectangle tool, and you'll see why in a second. Now do this, don't hold shift because it'll make it a square. I want to have a rectangle about this size, and then let's make this rectangle white. Switch. Okay, I'll double click here, scroll to the white, click OK. Now click here, drag this one down, and you can close, and you can put this up so you don't have to see the effects. Now drag this over here. See, this looks a little boring, so why don't we do this? Do this, like we did that. Control A, layer. Oh, I got to click the check mark. Control A, layer, align layer to selection, vertical centers, layer, align layer to selection, horizontal centers. See, now we have this exact image. It's the exact same. Now this doesn't look that bad. This actually looks really good. And now after this, what you can do is you can place a couple things, like you can add some text, Control D to deselect. Now you can add some text on the side, like if you want to put your Twitter or YouTube, so that I'll do that real fast. Go to File, Place, go to my desktop, go to Libraries, Documents, Christian's Thing. Let's go to Images. Then let's go to Subscribe icon. Obviously, you didn't have to go to all that. You can either move this above the CBOT, so that's what I'm going to do. Click the check mark. Move this above the CBOT. Come on, move. Move. Drag this down here. Now let's turn it as well, so it doesn't look weird at all. Okay, click that. Place. Now we can move it just a little over here, and make it smaller, because we don't want that part to stand out. You know, you want your name to stand out the most. So you can have that there. Place. Now I think that looks pretty good. Now we go to File, Place. Now we'll do Twitter icon, Place. Now yes, that'll go above, so that can go over here. Turn it, make it smaller, it's gonna hold all for this one. Check mark. Now I think that looks a little weird, so I'm gonna Control Z. Now that's a mess up that I did, so I Controlled Z, and so now it went away. So if you mess up, you can Control Z, so that's something that comes in handy if you ever do. And if you have more than one mistake, Control Alt Z will go back more than one time. Because if you Control Z, then it will just go back and forth. It will just like undo, redo. So let's place that. I don't think that's perfectly how I want it to be. So I'm gonna click Show Transformation Controls, move it over just a little. If it would like to. There we go. No. Let's do one more. There we go. Now let's make it smaller. Check mark. Okay, move it down here. No. Move it down here, sir. Oh my god, I hate this. Okay, take that off. Let's move this down here. Now grab our text. Make it 10 times smaller. I hope that's big enough. Okay, that's definitely not big enough. Click here, let's make it black text. Let's make it here, what, 36, that should be good. Okay, maybe just a little bit bigger, guys. 60. Yes, there we go. At CBOT Killer 4711. That is my Twitter. Go here. Move it. Select it. We can change the font of it. Let's find a font. What font do you guys want to use? Only if you could answer. How does that look? Let's go. Oh, that looks cool. Okay, now we go here. Show transformation controls. Down here. Rip Areno. Control Z. Here. Now that should look good. Apply. Come here. Like that. Just move it up Just a little, guys. Now that is good. Check a mark on that. Look at that beauty. Now you can do the exact same thing for the YouTube, and then we will be done for this, ladies and gentlemen. So let's just do it right here. Shift, make it smaller, click the check mark, move it over here. Show transformation controls, turn it this way. There we go. Place, take off that, move it over. There we go. Now we can go here. Let's Control J. Let's copy that. Let's move that over here. Then let's select it. Let's actually move it down. Select it. Make that a forward slash. And then that will be good. Just move it over. Now there you guys have it. This is a YouTube banner, Twitter banner, whatever you guys want to have it for. This is going to be my YouTube banner. And this is easy, simple. This is like, what, 10 minutes? Something around there. So, if you guys did enjoy this video, guys, make sure to hit that thumbs up, guys. Also, subscribe if you're new. And I hope you guys did enjoy. If you have any tips or anything you would like to see, make sure to comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everyone. Bye.